If you're shopping for a condo in Elk Grove and want flexibility on financing, let me point out Laguna Oaks. It's one of the few communities right now that actually has active FHA approval. And yes, that matters. Here's why. When a condo project is FHA approved, it means HEUE has already reviewed the HOA, the budget, the reserves, the insurance. So lenders don't have to fight for one-off approvals. That opens the door to low down payment options, especially for first-time buyers or anyone rebuilding credit. And this part's important. Just because FHA is available doesn't mean it's automatically your best move. Some buyers still do better with conventional loans, lower long-term mortgage insurance, more flexibility later. Others may even benefit from portfolio options depending on income or goals. And remember, with any condo, the lender is approving two things: you and the HOA. If you're thinking about a condo at Laguna Oaks and want clarity before you write an offer, head to SacramentoCondoFinance.com, fill out the intake form, and we'll walk through your options together. Plain English, no pressure, just a smart plan forward.